Hi, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Who wants to see an unboxing of a Jon Renau style new for 2021? Stay tuned. Okay, I want to unbox Jon Renau Maya for you, and it's in 12FS12 Malibu Blonde. Okay, that's how it comes boxed. Such a beautiful color. Of the California blondes, I think Malibu Blonde is my favorite. I loved Shaded Praline, 12FS8, but I like the lighter root on 12FS12. So I think it is my favorite of the Jon Renau colors. Comes just like this. Let's take it out in a hairnet. Oh, beautiful wavy style. Wow, so pretty. Beachy waves. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. All right, it is a mono top, lace front. Did you see that? It has closed ear tabs with stays. It's open wefted. It has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. There's a good bit of stretch here. And it's a beautiful, let me make sure you get a good look at that mono top and lace front. Okay, let's talk about this color, 12FS12. Now, if you are familiar, like I said, with Shaded Praline, 12FS8, this is exactly the same except for the rooting. The rooting is lighter on Malibu Blonde. So pretty. So it's just a blended shade of all these different shades of blonde, natural and pale gold blondes, and then it's all with this lighter rooting. If you've wanted to try something you think 12FS8 is maybe too stark around the hairline, have a look at Malibu Blonde. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, I'm going to give it a good shake. Okay, first of all, this is large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I feel like this definitely would need some adjusting for me. Yes, it's large. Oh wow, these curls. I'm on board with the beachy waves. I have really enjoyed them this year, and this is another beachy wave style. Right out of the box. These fibers are not as quite as soft as the normal Jon Renau fibers. That's just my opinion. Just feeling of these right now, I feel like they might be a tad coarser. That's just my opinion. So loose, beachy wave, beautiful, beautiful curl pattern here. So pretty. Make sure you get a good look at that. Again, at this color. This is, in my opinion, very similar to Editor's Pick. Very, very similar. Now, this is not heat-friendly fibers. So if you are not a fan of heat-friendly fibers, but you like Editor's Pick, you might have a look at this one. Because just looking at these, I can tell these are very, very similar sister styles. Let's talk about the specs of this one. It comes in at a bang of 7½ inches. Now, my face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. So I like to tell you that so you can see how this might possibly fit on you. The crown is 9 inches. The sides are 8. The nape on this one is 6½, and it weighs 3.8 ounces. Now, this is highly layered, as you can see, around the face. Not so much all over, but around the face. Definitely layered here. You can see how these bangs layer down. So you do have this nice layering around the face, which is flattering to most face shapes. Let's see the fit. You cannot see my bow hair there or here. Let me let you have a look at the lace front. Really pretty. Again, this fits me large. I would absolutely need to take this in a little bit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that short unboxing of Jon Renau Maya. Such a beautiful color and style. Again, if you're into these beachy waves, everyone's wearing them. They're so trendy right now. This is a really, really nice one with this bang, this layering around the face. Very nice style. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.